Good morning. Where is the chart on MT4? Oh, down there. Oop, that's not what I want. Hello, ZR. So this is yesterday's low, right? Yeah, look at that. What a day. Wow. I'm gonna clean these up. I don't need any of these. I think I need to save that or it doesn't stay. Yes. Do. Let's see. we get a 5-minute break yesterday? Guess that would be it. Yeah, it's not a good month for that play. I think with that play, you have to swallow the pill that there will be bad months, but if you stick to this, your testing shows it will be positive eventually. Let's see if we get a reaction off this level. It's not a big level, but it's a big drop from that point. Good afternoon. Good morning for me, that is correct. I don't know. Maybe off to the side. That's a nice candle. Let's see how this closes. That's a nice 5-minute candle. You can call it a bottle rocket. You can call it a John Wick. Is this a tweezer? No. Do you have other wicks rejecting? Yes. Is it hitting a level? Yes. But look how quickly it changes in that. Just before I even said that, it pushes up. And I'm not taking it if it's green. Wow, good thing you didn't jump the gun. Can you imagine? This thing looked like a full-blown bottle rocket candle earlier. Like 30 seconds ago. Maybe we'll get tweezers right here. That'd be even better. If we wait 5 more minutes. Let's see what happens. this level. Yep, I just like the, you can't say the 5 minute. I like how the 5 minutes forming, but let's see what happens. 2 wicks up here, it's hitting a zone. But yeah, I am jumping a little early. Like the way this looks. So we'll see what happens. See if I get burnt. Because there's 2 minutes left on the 5 minute candle. A lot can change. So the trade's more based off the 1 minute. Anchored VWAP getting in the way. Let's see how that closes. How the last 15-minute close? Not good. I mean, it's still. Oh, look at that. Do 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 do. We also got yesterday's low. Might get in the way. Alright, so nice candle close on the 5 minute. Let's see if we can get a push. Nice, bro. You took the 5 minute. Yeah, nice, bro. It's a good one. It's a good one. We'll see what happens. Trading is a patient game, eh? Like just results wise, I was thinking like you have to show up every day and kind of try to get these base hits, or wait for whatever a AAA setup looks like for you, and then just at the end of the month, year, that's when the results go like, oh, not bad if you stick to it. Just take, oh, the first in golf, eh? Yeah, that is nice, bro. I mean, you're right, no stress. Well, look how it kissed the daily low. So that is a very large support, but it kind of already broke it earlier, so I didn't know if it would be a big deal. But let's see what's gonna happen here. I'm out. Yeah, it depends how high you put it. It has broke the high, but just by a few pips. I'm gonna do a little bit of FX replay while we see if anything else fun comes up. I was messing around with this 1 minute. And again, part of the purpose of testing some of these things is to show us what to do or not do. That's part of the battle. So if I do a little test here and the 1 minute is just getting destroyed, then I'll just stop doing that. Because right now I think, well, it's hard to tell. I find our eyes are so deceiving sometimes. It just, things can look amazing, and then you're like, oh, I got, there's an edge here, and then, but you have to go test it a whole bunch of times to see if there's an edge. So I'm just starting to test, like I'm just messing around. This is all no risk. We got all these wicks here. It hasn't closed red, but let's just see. And then just watch this play out. Okay. No bueno. Now you got triple wicks on the bottom. If you really want to do this seriously, I'd have to label these or get it a little more refined. So I think on the, definitely triple wick is more important. And these were green. Let's see if the golfing works out. Nope. Anchor VWAP test. Let's see if that works out. I'm not gonna trade it. Okay, cool. But see, things like this. Is there an edge? I mean, it rejected here. This is also not looking at like levels way over here. Just actual price action in the moment. Looks like on live we are reacting. hit the level again. Stopped out people like us, and maybe it'll do its move now. Have you guys ever used FX Replay? It's absolute bomb. This is the free version currently, which has a lot of limitations, like a lot. So now I'm ripping back to the open the next day. So what are we at? 5 for the 30-minute. Go skip, skip, skip. Alright, triple wick down here. Same thing as the other day. Okay, so don't take them when they're red. Ooh, that one. That's a fake out candle. Hitting this little zone here. I'm gonna give it a little bit more room, but I like a quad wick on the 1 minute. See, I just want to mess around. This is the stuff I'm not confident, and obviously I'm glad this is a demo. I'm not confident to take this live, and I might show myself that it's rubbish. I don't know. Or what I'll have to do is get really refined and go, I'll take triple wicks. Triple wicks of the same color I need for the last one. Okay, like here. So we got wick, 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 wick. That's the fourth one that's green. And then just keep refining it and see if you can find an edge. Clearly I feel drawn to the 1 minute. It is up 2%. 2%. Yeah, the triple wick, man. I think there's... Well, that one clearly didn't do anything. Let's see, let's see. See if we can find something. Oh, I should have took that one. Let's see if... Well... Yeah. Why not? Rubbish. Maybe it has to be on a nice clean level. I don't know. This is good. I'm not even joking you. If I start getting crappy results, kind of poking around on the 1 minute, it just reminds me. No joke, like that. There's nothing here, bro. Some win, some lose. But if there's no edge, we're just wasting our. Oh, I went too far. Well, was there even anything on the 1 minute? No, this was one of those just rips it down. Maybe here would have been tempting. Wick, 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 wick. Then just blast right through against you. Let's see if something happens here. How's the 5 minute developing on the live chart? Alright, you have an opening range breakout. Is it as big as body as I'd like? No. But is there an ugly top wick? No. That's just a normal top wick. Nice. See if that plays out. Just for kicks. I don't even know what save in journal does. What's the journal part? I gotta look into this. What is journal? If I pay for my full subscription, I can show you all my past data. I just don't want to. Yep, so 5-minute opening range breakout, 1. Alright, let's see if we can do one more. Well, I am up 3% on this. I'm not saying it's good, but it kind of shows with proper risk management and like at least trying to buy when there's reactions. But no, it's not. This is not a. There's no good edge here. Yo, if Little Investor's still on, did you see the opening range breakout one? I mean, half of them are going to win, right? So it's not to say it's incredible, but nice to see a winner in the month of May. Is it the strongest close? No. But again, there's no huge top wick. There's a good bottom wick, which is in our favor. All right, let's do. What do I want to do? Or I'll just start doing it now. I'm gonna do a little quick rapid fire test on the anchored VWAP. 1 minute. This is very helpful. Like, I would love to actually test a few of these 1 minute things, find out it's garbage or how I trade them, and then stick back to the 5 minute, which is my roots. I just gotta kick I gotta prove to my subconscious that I shouldn't be trading the 1 minute. But it's very stubborn. Okay, so this one I'm only looking for pushes off the anchored VWAP. And I'll take note, you know, if certain times, is it too early in the open? Okay. Ooh, see, I clicked too fast. This one actually kissed it nicer. It didn't bend into it, and maybe those are stronger. I don't know. Do you notice the times though that it comes down and doesn't break it? It's showing. Again, is this just one day or is this consistent? Let's try the next day. If it breaks it, we don't take it. Just to get an idea. But again, each trade is only 1 day, so it's not super powerful. But that day, it tended to respect or follow through when it did not break the anchored VWAP. Okay, this one. Kisses it, doesn't break it. Now, is it hitting resistance at the top wick? Yep, but let's just see. Excuse me. Nope. Oh, that was I clicked too fast, man. That was so dumb. I clicked too fast. Well, now it's far from it. Is she gone? Excuse me. Very interesting. 710. Okay, let's see if I can. There's a feature on the paid version of FX Replay. I'm gonna get it like any day now. I'm gonna just bite the bullet because you can click a button and it takes me immediately to the open the next day. You know how much time that saves? Okay. Put the new anchored VWAP on. Also, these candles are awesome at the open. Let's see if it gets a push down. No, okay. Okay, so I wanted to respect the anchored VWAP without breaking it. So these chop days don't. Okay, this one did. Now that's a small little candle, but let's just see, man. Let's just see for fun. That's a tight stop. We're just messing around. Nope. Yes. Now, obviously, this looks cleaner than this little tiny guy we took, but let's just see, right? We're just messing around. See if we can find something. Pooh. It feels algorithm-y when it respects it. I don't know, man. It's got this algorithm feel. Something's triggering when it respects it. Okay, this one broke the line slightly, but it like looks like, let's just see, it did break it a bit. Let's see if, but it, oh, still stop. I just want to mark it. Oh, did I screw up there? I just want to mark it over. Hold on a minute. Okay, I don't know, man. Does it have anything to do with the, wait, what's going on? With it broke the anchor V-wrap a little bit. Can it really be that sensitive? And then these ones hold underneath it. I don't know if anyone is watching this, but I'm just curious. Like, is that in my head? That when it breaks it even a little bit, it seems to be rubbish, but when it holds it, I mean, that one technically broke it a tiny bit. Just a hair. I don't know. Dude. I want to see another clean one where it kisses it, doesn't break it. Bit of a choppy day. If you're only looking to take one trade, this can actually help distract you. Get FX replay going. So then the reason I skip for the next day is when it's out of my trading time range. I don't care how this performs later in the day. I'm not here. We go a little too far. Nope. We good. Ooh, I would like to take this short, but I'm not, because that's not the purpose of this testing. Ooh, good thing I didn't. Now I'd like to take it short. So it's too messy. It's not respecting the anchored VWAP. That was like a little tweezer, but it didn't. I'm just for the purpose of this one. I want to right there. Let's see if this works out. Even though it could be 70% win rate and it still can fail, so it doesn't tell me it. But I want to try to just take these ones and just see what happens. Oh, it worked. 80%. At least it didn't just fail immediately. Okay. This is good. I'm slowly. If I had to try to predict, you're gonna see me eventually go. Oops, that didn't work. Go right back to the 5 minute. I'm just going through this weird stage where I don't know. I'm just enjoying what I'm seeing on the 1 minute, but let's hopefully do some testing here to bring me back. Bring me back to the 5 minute. 30 minutes, back to the 1 minute. Where's the anchor view at? This should be hard to wait for too, though, I'm gonna be honest. There's no way you could trade this. Seeing all this price action go and then You're waiting for this perfect touch on the VWAP. Okay. I think I gotta nix it. I think I gotta nix the 1 minute, my friends. You guys might have known this all along. You've been hearing me preach to myself about it. Are there plays on the 1 minute? Of course there are. Is there a consistent edge on how I'm trading it? No, I don't think so. I really don't think so. Have some winning days, losing days, but overall, I don't think I'm feeling good about it. You know, one advantage to the 5 minutes is it's easier to collect data for free. You can collect it on TradingView. And, well, I don't know if this is a good or bad thing. The 5 minute takes a lot more patience, which, good and bad, I don't know. There's just certain setups that are hard for me to quantify, and they're hard to be patient for, but if you wait, you get to see like a cluster of wicks. I just find that does okay. These kind of wick clusters. But I don't know. Maybe that's the poison side of the 1 minute, is it sucks you in on things that you think look good, and there's just a lot of fake outs. I mean, you hear a lot of veteran traders talk about that there's a lot of noise on the 1 minute. So maybe that's the case. Like, yeah, you will see a lot on the 5 minute, and it'll suck you in. Sorry, the 1 minute. But overall, it seems to... Oh, did I go too far? No, I didn't. That's nice. Oh, what kind of candle is that? It's a news candle. You know what it also does too is it's changing your view, I guess, on candles. Like, if you just train yourself on the 5 minute, and your brain it knows what the 5 minute candles do on a certain pair. This live stream's been like a journal of the thoughts in my head. All right, it's 7:20. Let's see if there's anything I can update on here. Sign in. Well, guys, it's not going to be long. I can feel it in my bones. I'm going to solidify something on the 5 minute, and there'll be no looking back. It'll be probably kind of 1 to 3 things that I'll call them. And we'll be green lighted to trade them. Okay, so May 22nd. This did work. Yes, it did. 7 MEG. Well, 7 there? Nope. Is it still hanging out here? Oh my goodness. feel like this is I feel like this was so long ago. This would be the 7 a.m. EG right here. Oh, no, because this is 6:45, yeah. I don't know if there's any value to this little investor. When I did the engulfing test a while ago, like a long time ago, I could probably pull up the data. After 7, for some reason, it was a bit more consistent. And I said, okay, at least for that time period, that could have been a couple of years ago. Well, we took this set of tweezers, but it did break the high. This is where I should have wrote down the facts on each line item. I can't remember. Well, we took it live, so. Okay. What else we got? Let's go back to the previous day. Can't remember how all these days played out on. Yeah, it lost. Too bad. The 21. Yep. It did close above the other one. But then do we count this tweezer? Like, that's the problem. This one, we took this one. It's almost the same looking candle. I'm gonna have to refine these things. Well, technically that one won. I mean, I'm just trying to figure out if that gets counted. Oh, also, I screwed that up. Look how easy you can mess up your testing. Tweezers lost today. Day before they did. It worked. This one. Opening range breakout. We called that one ugly. I remember this day. And you could have maybe took this one. Then I lost. EG is the 7 o'clock. Yes, it is. 7 a.m. Worked. Sets of tweezers. Let's see. Are we seeing anything? No. No. See, this is you start to get. They can't just be like. They're not even close. They have to be close. That's how the whole idea started. It's a tough one, man. It's a tough one. It is so easy to skew your back testing. You know, you got these, but you got these huge, ugly top wicks. I'm not counting that. Even though it won. Alright, folks. Let's start to shut down here. I think we'll call it a day. Whoa, what a rough month for the opening range breakout. Yeah. I think tweezers is going to end up being king. And then we just dish breakout. So I should do it. Well, the thing about FX replay is it's facts, man. Any backtesting I do here could be skewed. The next level to this, no pun intended, was be adding levels. But I'd have to be so rigid on it because I don't like when they go level, 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 and you're just like, holy crap, there's too many. You know, there's guys out there, and I've done this in the past, where they only like to look for, say, sells at yesterday's high, and and yesterday's low for buys. But I think you're not going to get many signals. Okay, I'm going to jet.